Hello guys, back again with me. At this time, we will review cool toys again. See, there are lots of toys. But before continuing to the video, first press like and subscribe so that I am enthusiastic about creating other content, and I will give you guys have a really cool car as a gift. What are you waiting for? Come on, like and subscribe as much as possible. Whoa, there is an excavator car, Biko car. We save it again. We take it again. Wadadao, look guys, this one is a stone crusher car, very cool. We save it again. We take it again. Wow, and this is a red fire engine, cool. We save it again. Look, guys, there are so many toys. Let's see all the toys. Wow! Look, guys, there are lots of toys. Let's look at them one by one. Let's go. We take it again. Wadadao, and this is a white, cool garbage truck. We save it again. We take it again. And this is a long yellow tank car, very cool. We save it again. We take it again. There is a construction car, is Biko car, guys. We save it again. We take it again. Okay, guys, here there is a Biko car toy. This Biko car is yellow in color. We save it again. We take it again. Wadadao, and next there is a yellow Mullen truck. Cool. We save it again. We take it again. Whoa, and this is a white trash carrier. Cool. We save it again. We take it again. This truck 4 is a Bach truck. We save it again. Wadadao, look guys, this one is a stone crusher car, very cool. We save it again. We take it again. Wadadao, look guys, this one is a stone crusher car, very cool. We save it again. Wow, and this is a yellow Mullen car, cool. We take it again. There are toys, snow removal cars. We take it again. This truck 4 is a Bach truck. We take it again. Whoa, there is an excavator car, Biko car. We take it again. There are toys, snow removal cars. Wadadao, and next there is a yellow Mullen truck. Cool. This truck 4 is a Bach truck. We take it again. There is a toy container here. This is an excavator transport container. We take it again. There is a tank car. We take it again. Whoa, there's a car, trailer box. We take it again. Whoa, and this one is a very big tow truck. Cool Wadadao. Okay, and now I have stored all the toys in the Tronton truck. Tomorrow, we will meet again. So you don't miss other interesting videos on my channel, don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe. See you.